Mr.
Justice
Perez.
Mendoza.
It is in your
Your
comment,
Honor, I'm sorry.
page 66 of your comment, the consolidated comment, you stated that any health service provider who refuses to render service or provide information is, quote, impelled by nothing else but malice and bad faith, unquote. Why do you make this presumption?
Your Honor, let me just read it. Okay.
Why do you make this presumption?
Because I think, Your Honor, that a medical professional who is aware of the correct information, taking advantage of his or her position, decides to provide incorrect information, is a person who is acting in bad faith. And the statute has a right to people, to sanction people who are in that position and would take advantage of that position to harm or potentially inflict injury on an innocent patient.
Suppose he's just invoking his religious belief.
Then a person who is invoking his or her religious belief would be within his constitutional and statutory right to simply conscientiously object.
And he will not be criminally liable.
Your Honor?
And he will not be criminally liable.
He or she will not be criminally liable because that is a way out under the statute in recognition of the medical practitioner's religious concerns.
Earlier, Justice De Castro asked you what is the compelling state interest. And I'm not sure if I was satisfied with your answer or you evaded the answer. You digress, I think.
Okay. If we're
what is the
looking,
compelling state interest?
15 maternal deaths per day, hundreds of thousands of unintended pregnancies, lives change. There aren't a lot of things that can be more compelling than that, Your Honor.
And for that reason, for those reasons, the state is permitted to violate the freedom of religion of a citizen, of a person.
What we're saying here, Your Honor, is that there's no violation of the free exercise right of the Constitution because precisely this is a carefully balanced legislation that takes into consideration the free exercise concerns of the religious, who also happens to be a medical practitioner, and the right of access to RH information and services of a citizen who, because of his or her economic status in life, is not able to obtain RH information or service which is available, actually, to those who can afford them.
You mentioned earlier that the one undergoing the procedure is his or her decision is preferred. What procedure do you contemplate?
I was informed, Your Honor, that the procedures mentioned here or contemplated here are ligation and vasectomy.
That's all, Chief.